Why study communications at Adelphi University? At Adelphi, you'll gain hands-on experience in fields like journalism and public relations, media studies, digital production, and cinema studies. You'll learn in small classes taught by expert faculty who you'll get to know on a first-name basis. You'll use state-of-the-art equipment and have access to real-world studios in New York City. You'll work with new media like drone photography and podcasting and get high-quality training in traditional film and video making. You'll participate in faculty film shoots or direct your own student work and collaborate on research and reporting projects with faculty. At Adelphi, internships are a major part of our communications program. You can work at Adelphi's on-campus PAWS web radio, the Delphian, our award-winning student newspaper, ATV, a student club that produces television programming, or Rough Cuts, our student filmmaker club. You'll participate in student film and video festivals. And Adelphi students have had internships at well-known media companies, including The Daily Show, MTV, ABC, NBC, Black and Latino Filmmakers Coalition, Alvin Ailey Dance Foundation, North Shore Animal League America, and Walt Disney World. So what can you do with your communications degree from Adelphi? You can work as a producer or media planner. You can go into public relations, journalism, or independent films. You can work in new media as a blogger, content producer, or social media specialist. Or you can pursue a graduate degree in law, business, or teaching. Adelphi's communications graduates are working in positions in organizations including ABC News, Columbia Records, Comedy Central, ESPN, NBC Sports, The New York Times, Nickelodeon, and Sony Music Entertainment. 100% of communications graduates are employed or continuing their education within 6 months of graduation. And our communications grads are among the top 5% highest paid in America. Join us to launch an exciting career in communications at Adelphi University. World-class academics, personalized approach, successful outcomes.